You wake up feeling calm and energized. The day feels manageable, but on another day, without any clear reason, everything feels heavier. Small problems feel bigger, your patience feels shorter, your mood changes. Often, we assume emotions come only from the mind, from thoughts, memories, or external events. But modern neuroscience reveals something surprising. Your body plays a powerful role in shaping how you feel. In fact, emotional experiences often begin with signals coming from the body. But how can physical signals influence emotions? To understand this, we need to look at how the brain interprets information from inside the body. Because emotions are not just mental experiences, they are whole body responses. When something meaningful happens in your environment, the brain begins reacting almost instantly. Structures such as the amygdala evaluate whether a situation might be important, uncertain, or potentially threatening. If the brain detects something significant, it sends signals through the nervous system. Your heart rate may change, breathing patterns shift, muscles tense slightly, hormones begin circulating. But here's where it gets interesting. These physical changes are not just consequences of emotion, they are part of the emotional experience itself. Signals from the body travel back to the brain, and this leads to an unexpected effect. The brain interprets these signals to help determine what emotion you are feeling, but the brain doesn't stop there. A key brain region involved in interpreting body signals is the insula. The insula integrates internal signals from the heart, lungs, digestive system, and other organs. It helps the brain interpret these signals as sensations, such as tension, calmness, or excitement. These bodily signals contribute to the subjective experience of emotion. But the brain does something even more fascinating. Emotions often involve predictions. The brain constantly predicts what is happening inside the body and compares those predictions with incoming signals. If heart rate increases and breathing changes, the brain may interpret the situation as excitement, anxiety, or anticipation, depending on context. From an evolutionary perspective, this system helped humans respond rapidly to important situations. Danger, opportunity, social interaction. Emotions helped coordinate both behavior and physical readiness. The body prepared for action, and the brain interpreted those signals to guide decisions. But modern environments still rely on these same biological systems. Your emotional experiences are shaped not only by thoughts, but also by physical signals from within the body. Heart rate, hormones, energy levels, digestive activity, all influencing how the brain interprets your internal state. Once you understand this process, something fascinating becomes clear. Your emotions are not located only in your mind. They emerge from a conversation between the brain and the body. By the way, if you're interested in understanding how the brain and body actually work, this channel explores the science behind those systems. Many everyday emotional experiences become easier to understand when we examine the biology behind them. And the connection between body signals and emotions is one of the most powerful examples. Your brain is constantly listening to the body, and your emotions are part of that conversation. Vera explains the science behind how the human system works. Subscribe if you're curious about the biology of being human.